So I got a request on how it's possible to make these heart-formed things. I will show you a picture. So you add a curve path, then you can scale it up if you want to. Then in edit mode, you want to change these vertices, and you can slide them on the axis like this. And then you can press E to add another vertice, something like this. Then you want to right click and convert to mesh, and then add a skin modifier. And then in edit mode, press A, then S to scale it up. Then in object mode, you can scale it down back again. And also add a subdivision surface modifier to make it rounded. Then you can convert it to mesh again and add another subdivision surface modifier and also shade it auto smooth. So now you have this heart formed thing. We can move this to the side like this. And now, before we can copy it over, we want to change the origin to 3D cursor. And now with the mirror modifier, we can mirror it on y-axis. Then we can convert to mesh. And then we can rotate this on y-axis on the negative side and move it on x-axis like this. Then to copy it around, depending on how many you want. Let's say you want 4 sides. Then you can press Shift D, R, Z 90, and then Shift R 2 times.